Good morning, April Fools. Happy 1st, 2019. This is Danny from the DEG here. Again, I just want to say thank you to the users that submitted those inquiries to the DEG and participated in the 2019 March Taylor DEG Challenge. Again, without you submitting those inquiries and participating, we cannot thank you enough. First off, I would like to thank our managing partners, SCRS and AASP, for their ongoing support in making this program available to you free to the industry as a powerful resource. The DEG was founded by March Taylor. For those of you that don't know, March Taylor over here on the screen was the original founder. He started this out of his own workshop because he started finding issues in the databases as he was writing estimates, and he was reaching out to the information providers directly. Soon after that, when word got spread of what he was doing, other shops and other people started reaching out to him directly, and what happened was a database was formed, and he started the DEG by submitting inquiries on behalf of for himself, his colleagues, other shops. They were reaching out to him for help, looking to help change the industry by fixing the estimating systems, by getting accurate data and information in there. So again, a big thank you to March Taylor, who started this program, and then a big thank you to SCRS and the AASP for continuing this legacy and keeping this a resource that's free to you. Without this, none of this would be possible. And finally, the challenge, again, none of this would be possible without our sponsoring of this challenge, which is Toyota Motor North America. Toyota has graciously donated a 1-year subscription to Toyota Tech Info. 1-year subscription, 365 days of awesome information available on their technical website for repair information, which includes collision, mechanical, not diagnostics, but troubleshooting steps, as far as checking out, different modules and stuff inside, but not actually using the diagnostic machine, but the resource and the technical information available on the collision and mechanical side is just huge. So again, big thank you to Toyota Motor North America for their 1-year subscription donation, which the lucky winner will win here, a $480 value. So without further ado, again, want to thank our managing partners and our sponsors. Again, our sponsors play a huge role in the DEG in our organization. Again, that's ASA, PPG, Spinezi, and CIIA out of Canada. Without our sponsors keeping this program alive and recognizing the fact that their customers find this as a benefit, this is just huge. So again, thank you to our managing partners and our sponsors and Toyota for making this all possible for the 2019 March Taylor DEG Challenge. So we received 248 valid inquiry submissions, raffle tickets that are participating for your chance to win this 1-year subscription for the Tech Info login and for the website. So we're going to go ahead and do a random a number picker. What I did was I compiled a list of all the valid inquiries, built it on a spreadsheet, and then I randomized that list so that way it increased the odds to a random person. So I'm going to go ahead and use a random number generator here, and then we're going to go ahead and get this thing going. And then we're going to let this run for a few seconds while we check out which is our lucky winner. So right here is a good place to stop. And we have number 31, row 31 on my list. So we're going to scroll up to row 31. And row 31 brings us to Randall Blanchard at True Performance. Randall Blanchard at True Performance. And it looks like he had a raffle ticket that was from a monetary donation. So, oh my God, this is huge. Randall, you have won a 1-year subscription to Toyota Tech Info, a $480 value to the for Toyota Tech Info. Again, this is for the 2019 March Taylor DEG Challenge. So again, big thank you for your donation. Big thank you for participating in using the DEG. I've seen your name come across in using this program. So again, big thank you. We'll reach out to you here shortly and get you the winning prize. So Randall, again, you are the lucky winner of the 1-year subscription to Toyota Tech Info. $480 value. We'll reach out to you here shortly and get that prize set up for you. So again, to everyone else, big thank you as well for using the DEG. Regardless if you have an inquiry submitted, sometimes we have a response that may be not a win, but if we have a win, again, these are all inquiries that are all valid, whether it's a no change or a change. Every inquiry is a valid inquiry here. So keep submitting those inquiries. Keep an eye out for more future participations in these challenges here. And again, big thank you to everyone involved. Without you, none of this would be possible. So reach out to us at the DEG. I'm available. Email, phone, our chat button on our website, www.degweb.org. Again, contact us, submit inquiries. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you, and our partners are here to help you. Our sponsors are here to help you. So anything that we can do for you, reach out. We'll guide you in the right way to help you in your business. So again, big thank you. And Randall, congratulations. This is huge.